Welcome back, and now it's time to get to work on our master closet makeover. Okay, so we've got our plan, and we kind of know what we're doing. You know what we're doing.
Yes.
I'm kind of know what we're doing. Now we're going to start cleaning things out and taking it all out of the closet.
Right.
Okay.
So we have our bags. So Jenny's decided we're just going to strictly donate everything. We're not going to worry about consigning. And then we also have a trash bag just in case we come across any kind of like garbage or just old garments that are holey. And so you can obviously recycle those. Some people have a go-to. And then we've cleared off the bed, so we are good to go on that, and we'll use that as a staging ground. But we've also cleared out some of the closets throughout the home to stage while it's having the fun DIY aspect of it.
Because we are taking everything out of the closet. It's going to be a great time. I'm going to paint the closet, and we are going to do a couple built-in units and things. So we do need a place to hang our clothes that we're going to wear this week while we're working on that. So we'll kind of put that in one spot so we're organized. That will help my husband not lose his mind.
Yes.
Good.
See? And then we'll be good to go.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right. So let's do it. First things first, we pulled out about a week's worth of outfits and set them aside. Then we sorted all of the clothes by type. So all the long sleeve shirts together, short sleeve shirts together, etc. This was also a great time to clean out anything that I knew we should get rid of. So I just pulled that off the hanger and put it right into the donate pile. We also cleaned out any hangers that weren't being used and switched all of the hangers from wire over to plastic. Even if you're not planning to paint or completely redo the inside of your closet, it was really helpful to take everything out, get it nice and organized, and then figure out a new place for it to go back. All right, we got everything out of the closet.
How do you feel?
It gets worse before it gets better, is how I feel. Yes. But good, we cleaned out a few things. I made a pile for my husband to go through of things I just hadn't seen him wear for a while. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty good, right?
Yes. So we've also gotten a lot of the keep that we know for sure into other closets, as well as some items here on the bed. Mm-hmm. So before we will get all of your donate out, and then we aren't going to leave you in shambles. We're going to make some nice piles and put some other things back in the other closets. And then that way you can get started on the renovations. Yep. And then we'll come back in and put it all back.
Put it all back together. Mm-hmm. Not too bad. It was super smart. I thought one of your smartest ideas was picking clothes that both my husband and I will wear throughout the week. So while we're doing the makeover, that's kind of set aside and it's there, easy to access. And I don't know, this is good motivation though, to have all this in my room. Mm-hmm. It'll help me get the project done quicker. So
we're just going to leave it then. We're done.
A little bit. We just need a place to sleep.
That's good.
So, all right, that's it. Thanks. Yeah, good progress.
All right, keep going.
We'll be back with the DIY portion of this. We'll see what we can do. So, we'll see you next time.